So, what are we doing today? What? Anong podcast? Welcome to the podcast. Nagkumagawa ko lang, di totoo. Pero, may matututunan tayo, diba? Ano mas mahalaga yan? O sige, anong topic natin ngayon ay tungkol sa self-management. Meron palang ganun, guys. Yes, meron. Akala natin ang business lang ang minamanage at ang mga financial lang ang minamanage. Ganun. Meron din palang self-management. Excited na ako. Alam mo bakit? Siyempre, kailangan ko yan. Kailangan natin lahat yan. Hindi pa naman tayo ganun ka expert pagdating sa self-management. Aminin natin lahat na marami pa tayong dapat matutunan, di ba? So, tara, samahan niyo ako. Mag-aaral tayo, mag-research tayo. Sinulat ko to ha. Yung iba naman ay babasahin natin. Guidelines natin yan. Napaka-importante kasi ng self-management. Bakit nga? Bakit kaya mahalaga ang self-management? So, we'll find out. Dito lang sa ating YouTube channel. Please continue to like and share, subscribe to YouTube channel. It says ELA space Loyola. Yan na. Okay, let's bring it on. Self-management. And why is it important? Okay. In today's fast-paced world, distractions abound. Let's take two. In today's fast-paced world, distractions abound. Constant notifications, overflowing inboxes, and the pressure to be 24/7 can leave us feeling scattered and unproductive. So here's how self-management makes all the difference. Okay, first thing, increase productivity. By understanding your strength, your weakness, and peak productivity hours, you can streamline your workflow and get more done in less time. So self-management helps you complete tasks with laser focus and clear sense of direction. Wow, ang ganda nun ha. So, next is reduce stress. Gusto nating lahat yan. Kagaya ng ginagawa ko ngayon, nagre-relax. At, eto, nagre-research kasama nyo. Next, ayan ha, reduce stress. Constant overwhelm and a feeling of out of control are major contribution of stress. Ulit. So, reduce stress. Constant overwhelm and a feeling of out of control are major contribution of stress. Yung pala yun, yung parang pag out of control ka, yun, nagsisimula, yung palang nagiging cause ng stress. So, kailangan pala talaga yung relax lang, ganyan, zen life, meditate, wag naman sobrang overwork, wag sobrang mag-isip ng isip. Kailangan din natin ng relaxation. And, yun nga, kasama yun sa self-management. Alright, self-management equips you with tools to manage your time effectively. Galing, kasama rin ng time management. Of course, paano natin ma-manage ang sarili kung hindi tayo marunong ng time management? Importante yan. Lalo na dito sa Amerika. Suswe, akala nila sarap ng life dito. Puro trabaho. Pero I've learned it the hard way and how to balance life, work, well, sometimes friends. Pero the main objective here is yung magtrabaho, work, ganun. Yung iba naman mag-aral. So, tayo naman, ang trip natin ay mag-research for self-improvement. Siyempre, hindi naman kahit na nasa adulthood na tayo, alam na natin lahat. Marami pa tayong mga kailangan improve sa sarili natin at sa kung paano tayo dumiskarte sa buhay. Yan. Lalo na dito sa Amerika, guys, hindi naman ganun kadali. Siyempre, kagaya niyan, kami may mga trabaho. Employee din kami, nagtatrabaho kami, nag-aral kami ng mabuti, gano'n. Siyempre, mahigpit, ganyan. Minsan, burnout, marami kang ikakaharap na mga challenges everyday. Kailangan marunong kang mag-handle ng finances. Kung hindi, naku, lagot. So, gano'n. So, feeling ko naman, feeling ko naman, makakabuti sa atin itong mga pinagagawa natin, di ba? So, yan. Samahan nyo ako ha, sa trip natin hanggang sa huli. Asan na tayo? So, ayun nga, kailangan din natin i-prioritize ang task, to set boundaries, and to prevent burnout. And of course, gusto ko to improved well-being. Ayan, syempre una maligo ka muna, magsuklay ka, magpaganda. Kasama yun. Okay, so improve well-being. Teka muna, segue muna ako. Dito sa Amerika, guys, ha, kailangan malakas ang loob kasi most of the time, even if you have lots of friends and family and relatives, you really need to be independent and stand on your own. Yung tipong walang lungkot-lungkot factor kahit mag-isa ka lang. Kagaya ngayon guys, mag-isa lang ako dito. Wala namang multo. Wala rin. Ayan, pero masaya naman kasi parati lang ako nagpe-pray pag walang pasok. Tsaka, yun nga, natutunan ko na rin ang time management. Paano ba yung mag-relax, kasi pag relax ka lang, makakaisip ka ng tama kung ano gagawin mo. Yun, ganun lang. So, balik na tayo, no? Improve well-being. When you take control of your time and energy, you create space for activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Ayan. Gusto ko yun. Kasi kagaya ng ginagawa natin ngayon, kagaya ng hilig natin sa pagkanta, sa pagre-research, yung lagi tayong may time for self-improvement, pag-aaral, ganyan. So, ayan, maganda yan ha. So, activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Kagaya nyo, kailangan may recreation din tayo. Minsan, naglalaro kami ng golf ni Noriel pag may time. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yan, minsan lumalabas kami ni Claudia. Pero most of the time, mas marami talaga yung oras namin na nasa trabaho kami. Trabaho. Alam nyo guys, minsan may time talaga na, seriously 36 hours. Ganun katindi sa medical field. Dire-diretso yan, walang pahinga. Tapos, yun, kagaya nga ng ginawa ko, kung paano ko i-handle. Dito na lang ako, nagpahinga ako, binawi ko talaga siya. Parang, may time na ayaw mo lumabas for 2 days. Gusto mo lang nasa loob ka kasi nga, pagod ka na, burnout ka na. So, babawi ka ng tulog. Yung mga gusto kong gawin, ganito, magre-research, kakusapin ko kayo, ayan. So, ito na. Okay, the last part, hindi pa pala tapos yung improve well-being. Activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Okay, so this leads to better sleep. I love to sleep kasi ang sarap matulog, di ba? Parang, lalo na dito pagka malamig, talaga mas sarap matulog. And this leads to better sleep, healthier habits, and a more balanced life. Yay! Ayan. So, ganon. And the greater goal achievement, the last part, self-management empowers you to set smart goals. Akala ko may smart TV lang, may smart goals din pala. Ano yung smart goals? Okay. Self-management empowers you to set smart goals like specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, and develop a clear roadmap for achieving them. You learn to break down large projects into manageable steps. Stay motivated. Yan. Hindi ko kayo makakantahan ngayon dahil just like what I've said, medyo nabawi pa nga lang ako ng tulog at ngayon pa lang ako nakaka-recover ng powers ko at next week pasok na naman. Ayan, sana kahit papano may natutunan ka, may natutunan kayo, may natutunan tayo, may natutunan ako. God bless sa inyong lahat. At ayan, kung meron mang mga may pinagdadaanan sa inyo, ang masasabi ko lang, buhay pa kasi tayo. Ito, seryoso, joke lang. Kasama yan, it's part of life. And always pray and just relax. It will pass. It will pass. Everything will be alright. Think positive and always pray and always do good. And kindness and goodness always come back. May God bless you tenfolds. And I wish you fall in love with being alive. Please continue to like and share, subscribe our YouTube channel. It's SILA Space Loyola. Ang inyong kaibigan, Ciela. Bye guys! Thanks for watching!